Now we are going to start the demo. We can do 85 to 90% of the garments which needs to be dry cleaned in wet cleaning process. This is basically a process where with the water and the specialized chemicals, this is a total chemistry in which the process takes place in a controlled and automated manner, and this will give the equivalent effect as well as the quality required substitute for the dry cleaning.
It is not referred to bypass it, but I'm saying that normal person, whoever is operating this machinery, can bypass it.
Yeah, that is operator. Once the machine is in operator area, he has to make sure everything is working and functional as per the safety requirement. It is his call. If he want to bypass and operate, he can bypass. But it is at his risk. He can do it. Everything is bypassable. Even the central locking systems which we get in the vehicle, which are not supposed to be opened without a lock, still the person can open and steal away the vehicle. So whoever makes it, he knows in and out about everything. And once the process is done, the clothes are taken out, then they are ready for the iron.